My name is Tom Herbert. I'm a 5th generation baker, but not just like the end result. What I love, and I've been, since choosing to quit school and go to baking college, I haven't ceased to be amazed at bread's ability to bring people together, both in the making and the sharing of bread. There's something that's sort of timeless about that kind of breaking of bread. The word companion literally translates from Latin with bread. So for me, it's been a great way to meet people, to make great friends. Baking feeds us in so many ways.
Bon appetit. Thank you very much. Oh.
To be able to make something with your hands is something that most people don't have the opportunity to do in modern life. That's really good. To be able to make something that feeds you really well, that's really good. And I know that this is something that's true and timeless and good. The process of baking has been a really good teacher for me. The importance of giving things their right time. And I think so much in society just expects instant gratification, a quick result. And the kind of bread that yields is neither digestible nor delicious. And I think the same is true with life. So this has been my first time sleeping in a bivvy bag. It's just magical. I mean, under the stars, with the amount of kit that you can easily fit in a small bag, it's something that I really can't wait to do with my son. There's woods near us. I love it that nature's just always there, quietly inviting us to engage with it. And when we give it time just to build a fire, switch everything off, remove ourselves physically from the hustle and stresses of modern life, we can really start to taste and notice things more and go back into the world again with fresh eyes, with our minds and bellies happy and full.